ready, go! If you would like to see the tutorial for this song, I will add the card here on the screen and down below. I did a 12 Days of Christmas tutorial series, which I will also add a card for here and down below. There's a free printable PDF for this song. I will have the link down below as well. Everything will just be down there. Subscribe for more videos like this, and if you're learning how to play ukulele, there is no better place than here. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Sayonara!